Hello my quilting friends! My name is Leah Day and welcome back to Mini Block Monday. Today I'm going to teach you how to piece this traditional shoe fly quilt block. For this block you will need, in a green fabric color, cut one 2" by 4" rectangle and cut one 1.5" square. In white, cut one 2" by 4" rectangle and cut four 1.5" squares. Our first step is to create a set of half square triangles using our white and green 2" by 4" rectangles. So the first step is to place these right sides together, and I've actually already done the marking that we're going to need to make these half square triangles. You're first going to measure over 2 inches and mark a midpoint down the center of the rectangle. Then you're going to mark diagonal lines radiating from the corner to that midpoint on both sides. Now take this to your machine. You're going to stitch exactly 1/4 inch from the diagonal lines, not the center line. So in this case, I'm going to stitch to the inside, 1/4 inch away from that line. Then I'll stitch to the outside of that diagonal line. And here's what it looks like when I get that stitched. I'm going to grab a pair of scissors now and cut right through that midline and down both diagonal lines. And this is going to separate out our 4 half square triangles. There we go. So now take your time finger pressing these seam allowances open. You want to use your fingers for this first, because it's really hard to get that open and flat, and you definitely don't want to take your iron to it and try and dig at it. That's going to distort the block, and it might not end up coming out exactly right because it's, really made the fabrics wonky. So be gentle, finger press all of these units open and flat, and then you're going to trim them down to measure exactly 1.5 inches square. And if you'd like a much more detailed tutorial on how I make half square triangles and trim them down, check out leahday.com/HST. So we're ready to piece our shoe fly block, and this is how you're going to arrange the pieces. First, place your half square triangles in each of the 4 corners, your green square right in the center, and your white squares on each of the sides. You're going to piece this together in sets of 3 to create 3 rows. Then you're going to piece those rows together, carefully matching these seams. And here's what it looks like whenever you finish your shoe fly block. This should measure 3.5 inches square at this stage, or 3 inches square once you piece it to other things. So that's it for this tutorial. If you'd like to find more Mini Block Monday videos, click here to find a playlist of them all. And if you'd like more tips on quilt piecing, click here to find a video with my 5 main tips for piecing successfully. And if you'd like to learn even more, I have written a book about piecing. This is How to Piece Perfect Quilts. You can find it on my website at leahday.com/piece. Until next time, let's go quilt.